Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Razovy, and today I want to talk about this awesome legal manga app. It's called Challenger Comics Viewer. It's free. It doesn't have any ads. You can donate to this app if you want to. Basically, go to the Google Play Store. You select one of the two, either the first one, which is free, or you select the second one, which is not free. They have the exact same thing, so there's nothing special about the paid one. It's just that you donate to the creators of this app, which is a nice touch, but it's definitely not necessary. Once you've installed it, basically you go to the app, and of course your library will be empty minus full because they added stuff to it, but normally speaking, it should be empty. Basically what you want to do, there are two things that you need to do. The first one is going to be getting the manga. Now, you need to find a legal way to obtain these images, to obtain the manga itself. The most manga, once you obtain them, is either in zip file, so .zip file, or in .cbz file. Now, what you need to do is you need to put your manga into a .cbz file. So basically, if you get a zip file, you need to change the .zip to .cbz. Once you've done that, basically you put all of the manga together in one folder, and then you can go to you click on the three dots. You do the you click on the manage library list, and then you are going to navigate to the folder that you need. In this case, I named both folders manga. I have an SD card and like a internal storage. I name both of those manga, and then I can go to them. And basically, what then happens is your whole list is added to your app. If that doesn't work for some reason, basically you click on refresh. I'll do it for you now as well. It'll then, of course, load all of the manga in, and then as you can see, we have all of the manga here. Now, it's very simple. It's a very, very easy way of setting everything up. Obtaining the manga, in this case, is the most difficult thing. I have made a different video. I'll link to it in the pinned comment and also right now at the top right of your screen, which is easier. It's an easier app. But like I said, this is a completely 100% legal app. And you should also make sure to obtain everything legally. Now, I hope that this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to click on the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, but you do like this kind of content, then of course, subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, I was Razovy. You were you. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.